Welcome to Lucky Wheels. From the horrific accidents caused by reckless drivers. Two truck drivers losing control, causing the vehicle to overturn on the roadside, endangering lives. The streets have witnessed many extraordinary moments, leaving you with unforgettable impressions. This video was created for educational purposes and includes substantial original commentary. Let's get it on. You would have been charged with dangerous driving for that, so don't do it. Oh, what's happening back there? Is this a case of losing control? Please be careful, my friend. The truck driver doesn't seem to be paying attention to the traffic ahead. Please stay alert on the road. That's a classic case of overestimating your driving skills. Curves demand respect, not recklessness. And the incident involved due to overcorrection, right? Be careful, everyone. What's going on with this driver? Did he get rear-ended? Oh, it's raining. The driver couldn't brake in time for that situation. Luckily, both are safe. All I can say is drive carefully. You never know when you encounter a distracted driver. The light is turning yellow. Please slow down and stop. Never run a red light, my friend. If the chosen speed is incorrect, accelerating can cause the vehicle to skid off the road you're on. I wonder why he's driving at that speed. Please slow down. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. Man, you had to look at the vehicle approaching from behind. Remain calm and composed when you notice traffic slowing down. Avoid sudden lane changes, bro. The truck driver didn't notice the brake lights of the car in front. Fortunately, there was no damage. Be mindful of oversteering everyone. The driver is safe. Oh, the truck driver got too close to the roadside barrier. Luckily, the driver is safe. Well, it seems like someone needs to retrain their driving skills for quartering. That was too close. It's good that there was no damage on either side. Hey, you two, please be considerate of each other on the road. Bro, stop making people uncomfortable in that way. Please avoid lingering in a truck's blind spot. Either pass quickly or stay a safe distance behind.
Jesus Christ!
Oh my God, that truck driver lost their brakes and went off the cliff. I hope the driver is safe. Please be aware and anticipate any traffic congestion ahead. Everyone. Oh, it seems like the truck driver missed the stop sign. Please pay attention to the road signs. Everyone. Let's be careful when driving on wet roads, folks. Hey, never drive into a truck's blind spot. Keep a safe distance from them. If you enjoy our video, Leave a comment below, let's like and subscribe, so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. Whoops when you get instant karma. Things happen in Charlotte, Carolina. Use brake lights to communicate your intentions to other drivers, dude. Staying calm is the most important thing to do in this kind of situation. Be careful, folks, okay?
There you go, big boy. That was your fucking ass.
Please strictly follow the law to minimize regrets like
real
this.
fucking smart. There you go, big boy. That was your fucking ass.
Know it potentially endangers other drivers. Secure it properly on your vehicle with the appropriate restraints. It's a good thing everyone is fine. I hope he knows how serious it is. Oh, how could he make such a reckless overtake? You need to relearn how to drive, my friend. Well, it seemed not to have moved smoothly. Thankfully, no one was injured. Oh, don't brake so suddenly. Brake while keeping a safe distance. Well, how lucky are they? It was a good thing the Dashcam owner didn't stop suddenly. The most important thing is to remain calm and composed. Behind the wheel, glad the driver is all right. Oh, he slammed on the brakes, causing him to lose control. Luckily, he's okay. He mistook the brake pedal for the gas pedal. Hopefully, everything will be resolved safely. Defensive driving, and always keeping a safe distance, folks. If you need to pass a truck, do so safely. Pass the truck on the left side whenever possible, as the blind spot is larger on the right side.